Hello.
You are live, sir.
Okay, I am live. Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes, how many of you are online? Just tell me. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, how many of you are online? Fastly. Okay, Krishna. Hello, beta. Hello, Krishna. Sure. Good afternoon, beta. Yes, what about the others? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sure. What about the others? Yes, how many of you are online? Just tell me fastly. Good Saj. How are you, beta? Shrikant. Good afternoon, beta. Good Saj. Good afternoon. How is your preparation going on? I think that the GATE exam is on 6th of Feb. Is it or not? Okay. Yes, Khushbu. Very good afternoon, beta. I am also fine, good Khushbu. Okay, good Saj. Yes, sure. Okay. Now, how many subject of how many subject you had completed till now? Just tell me the revision of how many subject you had completed. Yes, good Saj, Khushbu, sure. How many subject you had completed till now? All are done. Just writing test. Okay, good Saj. Very good. What about the others? We will check whether you had completed all the subject or not. Okay, good Saj. Midway, sir. Okay. And what about you, Khushbu? How many tests you had completed and subject you had finished? Yes, Khushbu. Fastly, fastly. Revision and the test is going on. Very good, Khushbu. Okay, good Saj. Yes. Many new people had also joined the session. Yes. Can I know your name? Just write it in the chat box. Yes. Fastly. Okay, Utkarsh. Very good afternoon, beta. Very good afternoon, Utkarsh. Yes. Now, why we are here today? Yes. Tell me. Khushbu, Gursaj, Shaurya, Utkarsh, Shrikant. Why we are here today, beta? Fastly, fastly. Yes, Gursaj, I am audible and visible, na beta? Is I am audible and visible to all of you? Yes, fastly. Okay. For boost our score. Okay, Krishna. Yes, Krishna. Good afternoon. Gursaj, to revise important concept. Now, which important concept we are going to revise today here in this session? Now, just listen to me. Today we are going to start with the environmental engineering subject. Okay. We are going to start with the environmental engineering subject. Now, what is the weightage of environmental engineering in the GATE examination? Fastly. What is the weightage of environmental engineering in the GATE examination? Fastly. Very good, Krishna. Very good, Shaurya. Around 12. Okay. Now, if you score almost 10 marks from environmental engineering, what it will impact? Okay. What impact it will create to your GATE score? Yes, fastly. Utkarsh, almost, beta. Very good, Shrikant. Very good, Khushbu. If you score almost 10 marks from the environmental engineering, then what impact did it create to your GATE score finally? Yes. Bacha Singh, this session is in English, beta. We will have Hindi session also for the GATE score booster. Okay, Bacha Singh. Love Kishore, very good afternoon, beta. Chandrasekhar, very good afternoon. बच्चा सिंह ये क्लास एसएससी जेई के लिए नहीं है. दिस क्लास इज ओनली फॉर द गेट एस्पिरेंट्स. दिस इज ओनली द गेट स्कोर बूस्टर, not for the SSC JE. Okay, Bacha Singh. Now, if you score almost of 10 marks from this portion, okay, if you score only of 10 marks from environmental engineering, then what it will create? Yes, what is the impact of this 10 marks? I want to know the importance of this 10 marks, beta. Fastly. Yes, Gursaj, Shaurya, Utkarsh, Khushbu. Okay, Krishna, good rank. Anything else? Good rank. Okay. 10 marks are a lot. Okay. Now, Robin, we will cover, beta, we will cover. Okay. Now, what we are going to gain from this, if we score 10 marks from the environmental engineering, we will have our rank almost of, we can say that if we are getting a rank of almost 2000, then if we score 10 marks from the environmental engineering, we will directly reach something about 800 or 900 rank. This is the importance of this 10 marks. If we score this 10 marks from the environmental engineering section, then our rank will reach almost 1000 or 1100 ahead what the rank we are thinking right now. Okay, that's why we are here to score our or to improve our rank in the GATE examination by this session only. Now, from the environmental engineering, what we are going to cover, we are going to cover the important topics in our 3 sessions. In the today's session, we are going to cover the physical and the chemical characteristic of drinking water. Okay, in which we are going to cover the all the physical properties, that is color, taste, odor, and the questions about themselves. Okay, as well as we are going to cover the chemical characteristics, that is hardness, alkalinity, pH, etc. Okay, in the next session we are going to cover the treatment of drinking water, in which all the parameter, that is screening, plain sedimentation aided with coagulation and flocculation, the type of coagulants used, quantity of coagulants, disinfection, everything covers under treatment of drinking water, which we are going to cover in our next session. Okay, similarly, in the third session of environmental engineering, we are going to cover the very important portion of wastewater, that is the BOD, COD, as well as we are going to cover the air pollution topic also, from which several questions had been asked in the previous year GATE examination. Okay, so these are the overview of each session, in which we are going to cover one by one each and every important topic, and we are going to discuss that important question which is there in the GATE examination also. Okay, so can we start the session? Yes, just tell me, or you need some introduction about the physical and chemical characteristic? Yes, fastly. Fastly. Okay. Now, is there any? Yes, very good, Gursaj. Love Kishore, very good. Now, can anyone tell me what is the formula of determination of pH? Yes, Vikas Sharma, Gursaj, Love. Yes, Khushbu. What is the formula of determination of pH? Fastly. Robin, we will try, beta. We will try. We will try definitely. Yes, Gursaj. It is one of the formula, but the main formula for the determination of pH is yes, very good. Sure, very good. Krishna, very good, beta. Avinash, very good. Utkarsh, very good. Yes, Gursaj, Shrikant, very good, beta. Khushbu, very good. Khushbu, you had to write minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive, beta. That is minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive ion. Okay. Similarly, what is the formula for the determination of pOH? Now I am just revising the concept. After that, we will have some questions of pH, hardness, and etc. Okay. Now, what will be the formula for pOH? Just tell me. Yes, fastly. Okay, Robin. Anything else? Anything else? We will have one formula of pH, that is pH plus pOH will be equals to 14. We know that. We will have this type of formula. We know that. Okay. Yes. We will have another formula for the determination of pOH. Very good. Very good, Avinash. Very good, Utkarsh. Yes, Robin, very good, beta. What about the others? Yes, what is the formula for the determination of pOH? Yes, Gursaj, very good, beta. Fastly. Love Kishore, very good. Yes, we will have the formula for the determination of pOH, which will be equals to, yes, sure, very good, beta. Rajesh, it will be minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. That is the formula for the determination of pOH. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is the unit of concentration of H positive here? Yes, Khushbu, very good. What is the unit of concentration of H positive which we are going to use here? Fastly. Yes. Moles per liter, very good. Krishna. What about the others? Yes, Shrikant. Correct. Utkarsh, correct. Yes, it will be in moles per liter. Definitely, Gursaj, it will be in moles per liter. That is the unit of concentration of H positive and OH negative. Now, yes, very good, Khushbu, Robin, Rajesh. Now, if we want to convert this mole into milligram per liter, then which formula we are going to use here? Yes, firstly, if we have to use or we have to convert this concentration of H positive in terms of milligram per liter, then which formula we are going to use here, beta? Yes, firstly, if we have to convert this formula of concentration of H positive. Yes, firstly, number of moles formula, which what do you mean by number of moles formula? Okay, equivalent weight into 1000. Anything else? Anything else? Yes. Yes, Robin, gram equivalent. Yes, Shrikant. Anything else? Fastly. Fastly. We will have the formula, that is number of moles will be equals to given weight upon equivalent weight, or we can say that ionic weight of all the ions. Okay, clear? Now, if we will have the number of moles of H positive, then we will directly multiply this with the equivalent weight of H positive and we will have the given weight in terms of milligram per liter. Is it or not? Yes, firstly. Fastly. Okay, Gursaj. Now this is one of the formula which we are going to use here. The another formula which we need here is the total hardness formula. Yes, can anyone tell me what is the formula for the determination of total hardness? Yes, fastly. What is the formula for the determination of total hardness? Yes, can anyone tell me what is the formula for the determination of total hardness? Fastly. Fastly. We need the formula of total hardness here, beta. Yes. What will be the formula of total hardness here? Gursaj. Fastly. Okay. Now we can say that very good Khushbu, carbonate plus non-carbonate. Yes, we can say that total hardness will be the sum of carbonate plus non-carbonate hardness. Okay. Carbonate plus non-carbonate hardness is the total hardness. But we want the formula of total hardness, which will be like this. Okay. That is the concentration of calcium 2 positive in moles per liter or in milligram per liter into 50 divided by 20, that is the equivalent weight of calcium 2 positive. Similarly, we have the concentration of magnesium 2 positive in terms of milligram per liter into 50 divided by 12, that is the equivalent weight. Similarly, the concentration of aluminium 3 positive into 50 divided by 9. Now why we are multiplying every time this 50? Just tell me why we are multiplying every time this 50? Yes, fastly. Why we are multiplying every time this 50? Yes, fastly. In terms of CaCO3, very good Krishna, Varun, Gursaj, because we want answer in terms of CaCO3. That's why we are multiplying every time this 50, because this is the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. Very good Robin. Very good Shaurya. Very good Varun. Yes, Shrikant. We are calculating with respect to CaCO3. Very good Khushbu. Utkarsh. Yes. What about the others? Yes, we will have some questions. Okay. First of all, we will revise some concept. After it, we will just take all the questions at a single stretch so that it will be easy for us to calculate all the answers of all the questions. Okay. Now, what will be the formula of determination of alkalinity? Yes. For a determination of alkalinity, what will be the formula? Yes, fastly. Fastly, I want the answer of this question. That is the formula of alkalinity. Yes, fastly. Utkarsh, Khushbu. What will be the formula of determination of alkalinity? Yes. Shrikant, fastly, beta. Yes, alkalinity in terms of CaCO3. We have to always determine the alkalinity in terms of CaCO3. Very good, Krishna, but it is not CaCO3 beta, it is CO3 2 negative. Yes, Varun. Now, yes, Krishna, very good. Now, what are the ions which will create alkalinity in the water or which are capable of neutralizing H positive ion in the water? They are carbonates, that is CO3 2 negative, multiplied by 50 divided by its equivalent weight, that is 30, plus bicarbonate, that is HCO3 negative, into 50 divided by 61, plus OH negative, that is concentration of OH negative, into 50 divided by 17, that is the equivalent weight. Okay, so these are the formula for the determination of total hardness and alkalinity, and we know that carbonate hardness will be the minimum of total hardness and alkalinity, minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. Similarly, non-carbonate hardness will be the minimum of total hardness and the carbonate hardness. So we had revised the concept of pH and total hardness. Now we are moving towards the question of this topic. Okay. Now can we proceed towards these questions? Yes, fastly. Yes, Utkarsh, Shaurya, Khushbu, Shrikant. Any more topic needs to be revised here? Yes, fastly. Tell me in the chat box. Yes. Any more topic we needs to be revised before starting any numerical? Yes, fastly. I think that you all had completed these topics. Yes, fastly. Okay. Now we are going to start with first numerical, that is definition of hardness. First of all, you will change your name Lonely Monster here. Then I need to answer your question. Okay. Conversion in milligram per liter, please, Robin. Okay, Robin. We will see how to convert the moles per liter into milligram per liter once we reach in our question. Okay. We are going to see some questions of that type also. Okay. Along with that question, we will solve that. Okay. Now, first question which we are going to solve today is the analysis of a water sample produces the following results. Okay, now this question is very important because every time GATE will ask this question in 2 marks. Now, because of MSQ type question, they will ask this question in 2 marks. Now, what is the analysis of a water sample produces the following results? Now, this question is very important because every time GATE will ask this question in 2 marks. Now, what is the analysis of a water sample produces the following results? Now, we will see how to analyze this question. Is I am audible and visible to all of you? Fastly, fastly, Shaurya, Sanket, Gursaj. Okay. Now, because of the connectivity issue, okay, the network is unstable here. That's why. Okay. Now, because the MSQ question is also added in our syllabus of GATE examination, this type of question becomes very important because now they will ask several many things from this question. That is, what is carbonate hardness, what is non-carbonate hardness, what is alkalinity, and what is total hardness. Okay, definitely, Sanket. I will also explain this topic in today's session only. Okay. Now, if this question will be asked in 2 marks, then we have to solve this type of question. Now, in this question, calcium concentration is given in milligram per liter, that is 60 milligram per liter, and its equivalent weight is given as 20. Now, we don't need to remember the equivalent weight because if GATE asks this type of question, then it will be clearly mentioned in the paper that what is the equivalent weight of calcium. You have to use that type of weight only. Now, similarly, the magnesium concentration is also given in the question, that is 50 milligram per liter, and its equivalent weight is 12. For aluminium, 49. For carbonate, 60/30, and for bicarbonate, 183 and 61. Okay. Now you have to calculate non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, alkalinity, and total hardness. Now just solve it fastly and just tell me the answer. Yes, Krishna, you had already solved. Very good. What about the others? Solve it fastly, beta. Solve it fastly. Yes. What will be the value of total hardness here? What will be the value of total hardness here? Fastly. Yes, everyone needs to solve this type of question because it is important from the gate point of view. This type of question is asked every year in the gate examination question. Yes, correct, Gursaj. Correct, 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 Khushbu. Is I am audible and visible now, all of you? Is I am audible and visible to all of you? Fastly. Yes, Robin. Robin, Shrikant, Khushbu. I am audible and visible now. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, Shrikant. Okay. Now, many students had given the answer. Yes, yes, yes. Shaurya. Okay. Okay, Shrikant, Khushbu. Very good. Yes. Now, many students had given the answer that is, sir, A, B, and C are correct. Now, how many of you had determined these three values that is A, B, C are correct? Fastly. That is, these three are correct. Fastly. Yes. How many of you had determined? Okay. Good, Saj. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, Robin, Khushbu, Shrikant. Okay, good, Saj. Rajesh. Very good. What about the others? Now, 24 students are there in this session, and I need to have answers of all the students in the live chat box. Yes, fastly. Yes, Utkarsh. Correct. Yes. How many of you? Okay. How many of you are feeling that, sir, this question is somewhat difficult for me to solve? Yes. Is there anyone? We will see. We will see, Sanket. Is there anyone who is facing any problem while solving this question? Okay, Robin. Okay, Shrikant, Gursaj. Anyone? Yes. A bit. Okay, 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 sure. We are going to solve this question. Now we know that the formula of total hardness is what? It is the concentration of calcium 2 positive into 50 divided by 20 plus the concentration of magnesium 2 positive into 50 divided by 12. Similarly, the concentration of aluminium 3 positive into 50 divided by 9. Now we have the concentration of calcium, aluminium and magnesium. Now we are going to put here. For calcium, the concentration is given as 60, for magnesium 50 and for aluminium 40. So 60, 50, 40 is the value. We will put here 60 into 50 upon 20 plus 50 into 50 upon 12 plus 40 into 50 upon 9. Now just solve it. What will be the answer in terms of milligram per liter? SCaCO3. SCaCO3. Just solve it fastly. Just solve it fastly. We need to solve this type of question here. Good, Saj. Okay. Yes. Anyone else who would find this answer? Yes, fastly. Very good, Utkarsh Tandon. Very good, Shaurya, Khushbu. Very good. What about the others? 580.55. Yes, 580.55 milligram per liter SCaCO3. That is the value of total hardness here. That is the value of total hardness. Okay. Now we have determined the value of total hardness. Now what we are need to find here? Alkalinity. That is the concentration of carbonate into 50 divided by 30 plus bicarbonate into 50 divided by 61 plus OH negative into 50 divided by 17, that is the equivalent weight of OH negative. Now, what is the concentration of carbonate which is given in the question? Yes, it is equals to 60, and for bicarbonate it is 183. So we are going to use both this value, that is 60 and 183. So 60 into 50 divided by 30. Similarly, 183 into 50 divided by 61. Now, what will be this value after solving this? Because the concentration of OH is not given in the question, so we will put here 0. Just solve it fastly. Yes, yes, fastly. What will be the value here? It will be equals to 250 milligram per liter as CaCO3 again. Okay, that is the value of alkalinity. Very good. Only two students had find this answer. Yes, Gursaj, Utkarsh, Atul. Yes, what about the others? Fastly. Okay, Rajesh. Very good. Yes, that is the equivalent weight, Sanket. That is the equivalent weight of carbonate and bicarbonate. Now, how can we determine the equivalent weight? Suppose that the total weight of carbonate is what? It will be equals to the atomic weight of carbon, that is 12, plus the molecular weight of oxygen, that is 16 3 is 48. So it will be equals to 48. So after solving this, we will have 60 as the total molecular weight of CO3, but we have a charge of -2. So for the calculation of equivalent weight, we need to divide it by the charge which is present on that ion, which will be equals to 2 here. So after solving this, we will have the carbonate equivalent weight equals to 30. Similarly, we can determine for the bicarbonate also, that is 61 divided by 1, it will be equals to 61. That is the bicarbonate weight. Clear, Sanket? Done? Any other doubt up to alkalinity? Yes. Any other doubt? If hydrogen ion given in the question, then we have to consider, definitely you have to consider. We have that type of question also, Shrikant. Wait for a few minutes. We have that type of question also, in which I had given the concentration of H positive also, and we need to use that in this equation also. Okay, Shrikant. So I have all the variety of question I had covered in this session. This is the first question which we are solving. Okay. Now just think what is the level of today's session if we are just solving the first question of the extreme level, that is of the hardness. We are not going to waste the time in the determination of TON or which instrument is used for a determination of color, what is the permissible limit of color. We are not wasting our time on that. Okay. We are not going to cover that type of wasting here. Now, if the alkalinity is 250 milligram per liter and the total hardness is 580.55 milligram per liter, so what is the value of carbonate hardness here? We need to consider OH negative also, Sanket, but it is not given in the question. That's why we are not going to use here concentration of OH negative. Sir, if concentration of H positive concentration is given, then we need to subtract this from alkalinity. No, Robin, we have to convert that in terms of pH. After determination of pH, we had to find the pOH, and from the pOH, we had to determine the value of concentration of OH negative. Then after we will use that here. Okay, clear, Robin? Yes, Ankit Jain, very good. Gursaj, minimum of total hardness. Okay. Now carbonate hardness will be the minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. Now which value is minimum here? Yes, fastly. Which value is minimum here, beta? Yes, fastly. Which value is minimum here? Yes, very good, Shaurya. Which value is minimum here, beta? 250. Yes. The alkalinity value is minimum here, that is 250 milligram per liter. So carbonate hardness will be equals to what? 250 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Yes, very good, beta. Very good, Rajesh, Shaurya, Ankit, Khushbu, Robin. Very good, beta. So carbonate hardness will be equals to 250 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Now, if the carbonate hardness value is determined, total hardness value is determined, then what will be the value of non-carbonate hardness? Just tell me. What will be the value of non-carbonate hardness, beta? Fastly. Yes. What will be the value of non-carbonate hardness here? Fastly. Very good, Vamsi. It will be the difference of total hardness and the carbonate hardness. Yes, Gursaj, very good beta. Ankit Jain, very good. Shaurya, very good. Sanket, Shrikant, very good beta. Okay. Now, yes, very good, Khushbu. Now just subtract total hardness, that is 580.55, which is determined here, minus carbonate hardness, that is 250 milligram per liter. Now, after solving this, what will be the value of non-carbonate hardness? Yes, fastly. What will be the value of non-carbonate hardness here? Fastly, we need to answer this question. Yes, what will be the value of non-carbonate hardness here? Fastly. Okay, Shaurya, very good beta. Rajesh, very good. Shrikant, very good. Gursaj, very good. Vamsi, very good. It will be 330.55 milligram per liter as CaCO3 again. Okay. So, how many answers are correct? That is, non-carbonate hardness will be equals to 330.55 milligram per liter. Carbonate hardness will be equals to 250 milligram per liter, and alkalinity is also equals to 250 milligram per liter. The only wrong option is option D, which is 550 milligram per liter. So, which options are correct for this question? Firstly, yes, which options are correct in this question? Firstly, Rajesh, Shaurya, Gursaj, Vamsi, Shrikant, ABC. Anybody can dance. Okay. Yes, ABC. So option A, B, and C all are correct. Okay. So it is a type of MSQ question, and generally the gate will ask also this type of question this year in 2 marks. Clear? Yes, anybody can. We will remove that dance portion because D option is wrong here. So it will be anybody can. Okay, Sanket. Now we will move towards the next question. Any doubt in this question till now? Yes. If anyone is having any doubt till now in this question, just feel free to ask in the chat box fastly in the live chat portion. Yes. Okay, Shrikant, no. Okay, Sanket, no. Okay. Yes, Gursaj. Kunal Dave, no. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next question. A sample of water has been analyzed for common ions and results are presented in the form of bar diagram as shown. Okay. Now we have another question just like this, in which concentration of calcium 2 positive is given, magnesium 2 positive is given, sodium positive is given, aluminum 3 positive is given. Similarly, bicarbonate, sulfate, and carbonates are also given in this question. Now we need to select which are the correct option from these following 4 options. Okay. Now I will give you only 2 minutes for this. After that, we will discuss that. Fastly solve this question. Okay. And tell me the correct option of this question. Yes, fastly. Fastly, you need to solve this question, beta. Okay, Sanket, just solve it fastly, beta. Just solve it fastly. Yes, find it fastly, beta. We need to solve this question on a very faster basis. Just solve it. Lonely Monster, I had already told you that if you does not change your name here, then I will not every time take your name because it is a funny name. That is Lonely Monster. Okay. So just tell me your name so that I will be able to answer your questions. Okay. Fastly. Yes, solve it fastly. Atul. Atul, just check once again, beta. Yes, Gursaj. Correct, Gursaj. Very good. Okay, Krishna. Krishna, just check it once again, beta. Just check it once again. Just check it once again, beta. Krishna. Only A and D. Okay, Atul. What about the others? Okay. D and F, Shaurya. Where is F options, Shaurya here? Yes. Sanket, we have to check now. We have to check. Only D. Okay, Utkarsh Tandon, AD. Yes. What is your name, Noli Master? Just tell me your name so that I will be able to take that name only. Okay, Lonely Monster. That is a funny name. Okay, Shaurya. Yes, how many of you are still solving this question? Very easy to solve this question. Yes, how many of you are still solving this question? Okay, Gursaj, Robin, very good. Very good. Yes, what about the others? Fastly. Yes, Sanket. What is the correct answer, Sanket, here? Khushbu, what is the correct answer here? Yes, fastly. Okay, okay, Sanket. Yes, what about the others? Kunal Dave, Rajesh, Vamsi, Shrikant, Ankit. Just solve it fastly, beta. We need to solve this question fastly. Yes, what is the correct answer here? Now, what will be the okay, okay, Shaurya. Your total hardness is coming as 215 milligram per liter. Now, we are going to find the concentration of calcium 2 positive in terms of milli equivalent per liter. Now, can anyone tell me what will be the concentration of calcium 2 positive in terms of milli equivalent per liter that is given here? Yes, yes, firstly. What is the concentration of calcium 2 positive here, which is given in the question? Firstly. Okay, Robin, very good. Shaurya, very good. What about the others? Yes, fastly. Very good, Vamsi. Yes, fastly. What is the concentration of calcium 2 positive which is given in the question? Yes, Shrikant. What about the others? Fastly. Okay, Khushbu. Fastly, fastly. If you are not giving the answer on a faster basis, then how can we solve many questions in the today's session? Yes, fastly. Yes, Ankit Jain, Rajesh, very good. It will be equals to 2.85 milli equivalent per liter, which is given in the question. That is, calcium will start at 0 and it will end at 2.85. So the concentration of calcium 2 positive that will be present in the system is only 2.85 milli equivalent per liter. Okay. Clear? Now, what will be the concentration of magnesium 2 positive in terms of milli equivalent per liter? Firstly, you need to find the concentration of, yes, fastly. It will be the difference of 4.30 minus 2.85. So it will be equals to 1.45. Why we had done this type of calculation here? Because magnesium will start at 2.5 and it will finish at 4.30. So the amount of magnesium 2 positive present in the system is only 1.45 milli equivalent per liter. That is the concentration of magnesium 2 positive. Yes, very good, Robin, Vamsi, Gursaj, Ankit, Shaurya, Krishna, Shrikant, Khushbu, and Rajesh Mandal. Now, rest others does not need to answer in this section, na? That's why they are not answering in that session. Yes, what will be the concentration of aluminium 3 positive present in this question? Yes, firstly, the aluminium 3 positive concentration which is given in this question. Ankit Jain, all options incorrect. Very good. So we have to select that type of options also. Okay, okay. Point 4, Robin. Very good. Shrikant, Vamsi, Gursaj, Utkarsh, Krishna. It will be equals to 6.95 where it is finished and minus 6.55 where it is starting. So it will be equals to 0.4 milli equivalent per liter. That is the concentration of aluminium 3 positive. Similarly, can anyone tell me what is the concentration of bicarbonate which is given in this question? Yes, what is the concentration of bicarbonate which is given in this question? Yes, firstly, what is the concentration of bicarbonate which is given in this question? Very good, Gursaj. Very good, Shrikant, Shaurya, Robin. Very good, beta. Firstly, what is the concentration of bicarbonate which is given in the question? Yes, Gursaj. We will definitely take that value also, Gursaj. Yes, Love Kishore. Very good. It will be equals to 3.10 milli equivalent per liter because it had started at 0 milli equivalent per liter and it is finished at 3.10 milli equivalent per liter. So the concentration of bicarbonate is 3.10 milli equivalent per liter. Similarly, the concentration of carbonate, that is CO3 2 negative. What will be the concentration of carbonate? Yes, just tell me firstly. What will be the concentration of carbonate which is given in the question? Yes, firstly. What will be the concentration of carbonate which is given in this question? Firstly. Very good, Shrikant, Utkarsh, Robin, Sanket, Gursaj, Krishna, Love Kishore. Very good, beta. Very good. Ankit, Shaurya. Very good, beta. So it will be equals to 6.80 minus 4 because it had started at 4 millicurie per liter and it is finished at 6.80 millicurie per liter. Yes, Khushbu Rajesh also correct. So it will be equals to 2.80 milli equivalent per liter. Now, what is the difference between milli equivalent per liter and the milligram per liter concentration? Yes, firstly, what is the difference between milli equivalent per liter and milligram per liter? Yes. Firstly, what is the difference between milliequivalent per liter and milligram per liter? Yes, anybody? Yes, very good, Shaurya. Already considered the equivalent weight. Very good. So what is the basic change which will be there in the formula? Very good, Krishna. Very good. Yes. What about the others? Khushbu. Now we can say that if this will be the concentration of calcium 2 positive in milligram per liter, okay, and if we divide this concentration by its equivalent weight, that is 20, so it will be converted into some value which will be in milli equivalent per liter. Okay, can we say that if the concentration in milligram per liter needs to be divided by equivalent weight, then it will be equivalent to milli equivalent per liter? Okay, so that is the basic change which we are going to do in our formula also. So what we are going to do in our formula for the determination of total hardness, it will be equals to concentration of calcium 2 positive in milli equivalent per liter into 50. We need to multiply only 50 here. Similarly, for magnesium 2 positive, we need to multiply here only the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. Similarly, for aluminium 3 positive, it will be equals to concentration of aluminium 3 positive in milliequivalent per liter into 50. So, is this the correct way of finding the total hardness? Yes, just tell me fastly. Is this the correct way of finding the total hardness? Yes, fastly. Yes. Okay. Atul, very good. What about the others? Yes, fastly. Is this the correct way of finding the total hardness? Okay, okay, okay. Utkarsh, Khushbu, Vamsi, Rajesh, very good. Yes. Now we have the concentration of all these. Okay. We have the concentration of all this. Now what we are going to do, we will take this 50 as common value and we will add all the concentration of calcium, magnesium and aluminium. So in the question, calcium, magnesium and aluminium concentration is already given, that is 2.85, 1.45 and zero point 0.4. So we will take this value as 2.85, 1.45 plus zero point 0.4 and we need to multiply it by 50. So just solve this value. What will be the total hardness which is coming here? Yes, just solve it. 2.85 plus 1.45 plus zero point 0.4 into 50. Yes. What will be the value which is coming here? Yes, fastly. Very good, Vamsi. Very good, Shaurya. It will be equals to 235 milligram per liter. Now, unit will be in milligram per liter, but we have to put the value in terms of milliequivalent per liter here. Okay. So I think that first option is correct. That is 235 milligram per liter is correct. Okay. Now we are going to use the formula for the determination of alkalinity. Yes, Sanket, Gursaj, Ankit and Khushbu. Correct, beta. Now, alkalinity is because of carbonate, bicarbonate and OH negative. So we have the carbonate concentration here. Yes, very good, Rajesh. We have the bicarbonate concentration here. Similarly, we have the concentration of OH negative if it is given in the question. And we need to multiply all this value by 50. I had taken this 50 as common value. So just do one thing, put all the values here. Now carbonate and bicarbonate concentration is given as 3.10 and 2.80. So we will put here 3.10 and 2.80. That is the value. Okay. And we need to multiply it by 50 here. Just solve it. What will be the value coming here? Yes, 3.10 plus 2.80. Yes, firstly, what will be the value here? It will be equals to, yes, very good, Khushbu, very good Khushbu, Srikant, Utkarsh, Vamsi, Ankit. It will be equals to 295 milligram per liter. Yes, Gursaj, very good. So alkalinity is coming out as 295 milligram per liter. It means that option D is also correct. Now, what will be the value of carbonate hardness? Yes, just tell me what will be the value of carbonate hardness here. Okay, it will be the minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. So from 235 and 295, which one is minimum? Which one is minimum? Yes, just tell me. From 235 and 295. Now this will be a very difficult question to answer. Which one is minimum here? Okay, that is another question of gate, that in from 235 and 295 which one is minimum. Okay, so 235 is minimum value, that will be the carbonate hardness. So what will be the non-carbonate hardness here? Yes, it will be equals to total hardness minus carbonate hardness. So both are equal here. That's why the value is 0 milligram per liter. That will be the total hardness. Okay. Yes, Vamshi, Krishna, Shrikant, Rajesh, Utkarsh, correct beta. Very good, Shaurya, very good. Yes. So carbonate hardness is also wrong and non-carbonate hardness is also wrong. So the correct options are option A and D are correct here. Now I think that 2 or 3 students had answered this question correctly. That is option A and option D. Yes. Yes, Sanket. Sanket, are you the GATE Academy student or you had not joined the GATE Academy? Yes. Fastly, Sanket. Fastly, Sanket. Sanket, I had covered this portion in the live sessions also, that hardness is due to calcium, magnesium, aluminium, strontium. Okay, but the major hardness which will be created by the particular ions are only calcium, magnesium, and aluminium. So these are the major constituents of hardness, and strontium, chromium, sodium, they are the minor constituents of creating hardness. Okay, that's why we have to consider only the major constituents which are creating the hardness, which are calcium, magnesium, and aluminium only. Now I think that I had cleared your doubt, Sanket. Okay. Yes, those students who had attended my lectures of environmental engineering, they know that we have to cover only the major constituent. Yes, how many of you know that we have to consider only the major constituent? Yes. Firstly, how many of you had attended the lectures of environmental engineering? Yes. Firstly, okay, Gursaj, you are my one of the best student, Gursaj. Always, always. You are one of the best student. Yes. Again, okay, love. You also had attended the session. Khushbu had attended the session. But yes, sir, I have correspondence premium program. Okay, Shaurya. Krishna had also attended the session. So those who had attended the live lectures of environmental engineering, okay, they know that they have to consider the major constraint. And those who had no idea about, sir, why we are considering the calcium, magnesium, and aluminum, because they are the major constituent of hardness. If they are present in the water, then it will create the hardness in a very high amount. That's why we are just considering calcium, magnesium, and aluminum. We are neglecting the sodium, strontium, and rest other positive cations. Clear? Clear? Firstly, then yes. No one is replying in the chat box. This gate booster session is for me or for yourself? Yes. Why we are just okay, Tanbir? Yes. Why we had launched this gate score booster session? For you only. It is not for the development of my gate score. It is for your gate score enhancement. If you had attended this complete session of environmental engineering, then you will do what? You will just finish the environmental engineering in 50 hours. Now, when you are revising the environmental engineering completely, you need almost 18 to 20 hours for the complete revision of environmental engineering. But we are covering that important topic within 6 hour session, just giving you those questions which will be asked in the gate examination this year. Okay, so those who want to boost their score, they have to attend this session. Okay, that's why you need to reply in the chat box also. Now another question which is given here is, if pH of sample X is 4.6 and sample Y is 10 times less acidic than sample X, then concentration of OH negative ion of sample Y in kg per day for a discharge of 0.008 Qmax will be. Now we have to find the concentration of OH negative in terms of kg per day if the discharge is given as 0.008 Qmax. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes for this question or precisely 3 minutes for this question. Just solve it fastly. I want the answer of this question. Yes, solve it fastly, beta. Solve it fastly. Solve it fastly. Solve this question fastly. I need the answer of this question. Yes, what will be the answer of this question? Yes, solve it fastly, beta. Solve it fastly. We have the sample X pH, that is pH of sample X is 4.6 and sample Y is having 10 times less acidity than sample X, and we need to find the concentration of OH negative of sample Y in terms of kg per day. Gursaj, just solve it fastly, beta. Just solve it fastly. We need to solve this question. I had given you 5 minutes for this question. Just solve it fastly, beta. Just solve it fastly, Gursaj. Solve it fastly, Gursaj. Yes, what will be the answer of this question? Fastly. You all need to solve this question because it is a very good question from the gate point of view. Many conversions we have to use. Gursaj, just check it once again, beta. Just check it once again. You have done the mistake in the calculation of 10 to the power. Just check it once again, beta. Sanket, wrong answer. Sanket, wrong answer. Just check it once again. Those who are solving this question, just check in the power of 10 because you only done the mistake in the calculation of power only. Just check it fastly. Yes, what will be the correct answer of this question? Krishna, wrong. Correct, Krishna. Correct, Krishna. Very good, beta. Very good, Krishna. Yes. What about the others? Fastly. Gursaj. Wrong, Gursaj. Yes. What about the others? Fastly. Sanket, Ankit, Utkarsh. Yes. Solve it fastly, beta. Solve it fastly. We need the answer of this question. Correct, Vamsi. Very good, beta. Very good, Vamsi. Very good. Very good, Vamsi. Yes. What about the others? Fastly. We need to find the answer of concentration in terms of kg per day. That is the question. Yes, fastly. Yes. How many of you are still solving this question? How many of you are still solving this question fastly? Yes, write it in the chat box. Okay, Tanbir, Fatma, very good, beta, very good. Correct, 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 Tanbir. What about the others? Yes, what about the others? Robin, just write it in the form of 4.67 into 10 to the power something. Yes, write it in the form of 4.67 into 10 to the power something. Correct, Gusaj. Now it is correct, Gusaj. Correct, correct. What about the others? Do you need more time or I need to solve this question? Yes, fastly. Yes. How many of you are feeling difficult, any type of difficulty while solving this question? Yes. Yes, any type of difficulty while solving this question? Just feel free to ask in the chat portion, beta. All of you just feel free to ask in the chat portion if you are facing any difficulty while solving this question. Yes. Okay, Sanket. Okay, Utkarsh. Okay, Rajesh. What type of doubt? What type of doubt? Yes, Robin, correct, beta, correct. Now just see, I am going to solve this question. Okay. Yes, Atul, I am going to solve this question and we need to find the concentration of OH negative for sample Y in terms of kg per day. Okay. Now, if pH of sample X is given as 4.6, we know the formula, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive. Now, if we are solving this, then we have the concentration of H positive, which will be equals to 10 to the power minus 4.6 moles per liter. Is it or not? That is for sample X. Yes. Is it or not? That is concentration of H positive for sample X is 10 to the power minus 4.6. Yes. How many of you had solved till this portion? Yes, fastly. Very good. Very good. Now, in the question, it is clearly mentioned as sample Y is 10 times less acidic than sample X. Now, the meaning of this sentence is the concentration of H positive of sample Y is 10 times less acidic. It means that it is lesser than concentration of H positive of sample X by 10 times. So we have to put the value here, that is 10 to the power minus 4.6 upon 10. So it will becomes 10 to the power minus 5.6. Now if this will be the concentration of H positive of sample Y, then what we are going to use? Same formula which we had used earlier, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of H positive. That is the formula for the determination of pH Y. Okay, now we have the H positive concentration for sample Y, which will be equals to what? 10 to the power minus 5.6. And we need to find the pH of sample Y, which will be equals to here, this minus and this minus will becomes plus, and this value will comes in front of the log value, and log with base 10 into 10, it will be equals to 1. So pH for sample Y will be equals to 5.6. Now we have to find the concentration of OH negative for sample Y. We know that concentration of OH negative will be determined from the only one formula, that is POH will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative. But for the determination of concentration of OH negative, what we have to find? we have to find the value of pOH of sample Y. And we know one more formula, that is pH plus pOH will be equals to 14. Now we have to find the pOH of sample Y. It will be equals to 14 minus 5.6. So it will be equals to 8.4. That is the pOH of sample Y. Now we will put this value here and we will use the direct formula, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative. After solving this, we will have the concentration of OH negative of sample Y equals to 10 to the power minus 8.4 moles per liter. Now, till this point, is it clear to you? Yes. Is it clear to you till now? Okay. Now, if the concentration of OH negative of sample Y is given as 10 to the power minus 8.4 moles per liter, then what we are going to use? We have to convert this concentration of OH negative in terms of kg per day. But for the conversion of kg per day, first of all, we need to convert this concentration of OH negative from moles per liter into kg per liter. Now we know that number of moles will be equals to given weight upon equivalent weight or ionic weight of OH negative. Okay. Now number of moles is already we had determined, that is 10 to the power minus 8.4. We need to find the given weight, and ionic weight is already given here, that is 17 in grams. Now if we have to convert this in terms of kg, then we have to multiply here 10 to the power minus 3 and this will be converted into kg. Pritam, very good beta. What about you? Now, this number of moles will be present in 1 liter of water sample. So, this kg of concentration will also present in 1 liter of water sample only. Now, you need to multiply here 17 into 10 to the power minus 8.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per liter, that is the concentration of OH negative. Now, how many of you had find up to this point? Yes. How many of you had determined the concentration of OH negative till this point? That is 17 into 10 to the power minus 8.4 into 10 to the power minus 8.3 kg per liter. Yes, Utkarsh, very good. Robin, very good. Srinath, very good. Now we had reached up to this point. Now we had to find in kg per day. Now discharge is already given in the question, that is 0.008 Qmax. Now Qmax means what? It will be meter cube per second. But we have to convert this value in terms of liter per day. So what we are going to do, we know that in 1 meter cube there will be 1000 liter. So we need to multiply here 10 to the power 3 and this meter cube will be converted into liter. Now we know that in 1 day there will be 24 hours. In 1 hour there will be 60 minutes and in 1 minute there will be 60 seconds. So in 1 second, how many days will be there? That is 1 by 24 into 60 into 60. That is the day in 1 second. So we need to divide here 1 by 24 into 60 into 60. That is in liter per day. Now this will becomes 0.008 into 10 to the power 3 into 24 into 3600 liter per day. That is the discharge. Now discharge we had determined the concentration of OH negative. Now we have to find the concentration of OH negative in kg per day, for which we need to multiply these two values that is shown here. So just do one thing, just multiply this, that is 17 into 10 to the power minus 8.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.008 into 10 to the power 3 into 24 into 3600. Now from liter will cancel out and we will get the answer in terms of kg per day and it will be equals to 4.67 into 10 to the power minus 5 kg per day. That will be the concentration of OH negative ion of sample Y in kg per day. Yes. Now, is it clear to all of you? Yes. Firstly, संकेत यूनिट कन्वर्जन में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था ना, कोई दिक्कत है बेटा? अभी कोई दिक्कत है संकेत? Now still you are facing problem in the unit conversion. How many of you are still facing problem in the unit conversion? Just tell me. Yes, Shaurya. Okay. Okay. Sanket, if you are still facing any problem in the unit conversion, just do one thing. I will write some conversions at the end of this session. Okay. You will just take that conversion and you will write it in one page, and you will use that type of conversion in each and every question wherever it is required. Okay. So that you will be able to convert each of the particular unit in terms of other units. Okay. Clear, Sanket? Yes. How many of you had solved this question? Fastly. Fastly, just tell me the value. How many of you had determined this value? It is 4.67 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, Gursaj, Sanket. Okay, Shrikant. Okay. Now, if it is clear to you, we will move towards the next question. That is the question of MPN. Okay. That is the question of MPN. Now, Shaurya, still you are facing problem in that question, or is it clear to you? Okay, now it is clear. Now we have another question of most probable number. I think that many of you get a clear idea about this is a question of most probable number. Okay. How many of you get the idea that this question will be a MPN question? That is most probable number question. Because here McHardy chart is already given, which is shown here. Okay. Yes, very good. Krishna had answered. Okay, Krishna, very good. Yes, chart is provided. Here the McHardy chart is already given, in which the positive set is given and the MPN value is given. I will give you only 2 minutes to solve this question and just tell me the correct value here. That is the MPN of the water sample will be. Yes, you need to solve this question and I want the MPN of this water sample. Fastly. Krishna had answered this question. Yes. What about the others? Fastly. Fastly, you need to solve this question. Mustafa, very good. Mustafa. Mustafa, Krishna, correct. What about the others? Rahul Sonwane, correct. Robin, correct. Very good. Atul, correct. Shrikant, correct. Gursaj, correct. Many of you had remembered this concept of MPN. Yes. Yes, Shaurya, correct. Khushbu, correct. Now, in the MPN question, first of all, we have to see the dilution ratio which is required or which is given in the question. So here, they had asked to find the MPN of the water sample. They had not given the dilution ratio here, but they had given the McHardy chart for which the dilution ratio is always 10 ml, 1 ml and 0.1 ml. Now what we have to select? We have to select here the positive set values. Okay, we have to select here the positive set value. Now, first of all, we are going to select this three combination, that is 431, another three combinations are 314, and the next three combinations are 142. Now, based on these three concepts, we will determine the ambient of the water sample. Okay. Now, first we are selecting 431. Next we are selecting 314, and next we are selecting 142. Okay. They are the three possible positive site which is given in the question. They are the positive sites. Okay. Now, what is the dilution ratio of 431? What is the dilution ratio of 431? Yes, fastly. For 431, what will be the dilution ratio which is given in the question? That is 100 ml, 10 ml, and 1 ml. For 431 positive side, the dilution ratios are 10 ml, sorry, 100 ml, 10 ml, and 1 ml. So we will write here 100 ml, 10 ml, and 1 ml. Similarly, for 314 positive side, we have the dilution ratio of 10 ml, 1 ml, and zero point 0.1 ml. So we will write here 10 ml, 1 ml, and 0.1 ml dilution ratio. Similarly, for 142, we have the dilution ratio of 1 ml, zero point 0.1 ml, and 0.01 ml. So we will write 1 ml, 0.1 ml, and 0.01 ml. That is the dilution ratio for these positive sites. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find the ambient value from the McHardy chart corresponding to these positive sites. Now what will be the ambient value for 431 positive site? Just tell me. Yes, what will be the ambient value? It will be equals to 300, which is given in the McHardy chart. So for 431 positive side, we have the ambient value equals to 300. Similarly, for 314, what will be the ambient value which is given in the question? Yes, yes, fastly. What will be the ambient value which is given in the McHardy chart for 314? Yes, it will be equals to 70, which is given in the McHardy chart. So we will use here 70. Similarly, for 142, the ambient value which is given in the question is what? It will be equals to 6. Now, ambient chart or McHardy chart is given for the dilution ratio of 10 ml, 1 ml, and zero point 0.1 ml. Just see this value carefully. McHardy chart is given for 10 ml, 1 ml, and zero point 0.1 ml dilution ratio. That is for 10 ml, 1 ml, and zero point 0.1 ml. Now, how many times this dilution ratio is more than the standard dilution ratio? Yes. How many times this dilution ratio is more than the standard dilution ratio? Yes. Just compare these two values. You will get the value. It will be 10 times more. Okay. It will be 10 times more than the standard dilution ratio. That's why for getting the correct ambient value, we need to divide this by 10. And we will get the answer as 30. Similarly, these dilution ratio and standard dilution ratio is same. So we don't need to divide or multiply this value by any value because that dilution ratios are same. Now, just compare this dilution ratio and the standard dilution ratio. How many times this dilution ratio is less than the standard dilution ratio? Just tell me. Firstly, how many times this dilution ratio is less than the standard dilution ratio? 10 times it is lesser than the standard dilution ratio. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply here 10 and it will be equals to 60. So we have the three ambient values. So what will be the ambient of this water sample? If we have the three ambient value, that is 30, 70, and 60, then which value we can say that this is the ambient of this water sample? Yes. Yes, maximum of this will be the value. Okay, so maximum of this will be the ambient of the water sample, which will be equals to what? It will be equals to 70. That is the ambient of this water sample. Now, is this water is fit for the drinking purpose or not? Is this water is fit for the drinking purpose or not? Yes. Firstly, no, it is not fit for the drinking purpose. Why? What is the ambient value for the drinking water? Yes, what is the ambient value for the drinking water? 0. Very good. The ambient value which will be there in the standard drinking water, or we can say that the standard value of ambient for the drinking water is 0. It means that 0 coliform colonies per 100 ml, and here 70 coliform colonies are present in 100 ml of water sample. That is 70 coliform colonies in 100 ml of water sample. That is the ambient value here. So the final answer of this question is 70. Yes, that is a very simple question. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question. If you are still feeling any type of difficulty in this question, just feel free to ask in the chat box fastly. If you are still feeling any type of difficulty in solving this type of question, just feel free to ask in the chat box fastly. No doubt. Okay, now if it is clear to you, we are moving towards the next question. Now our next question is, what is the number of equivalent cations and anions respectively if a raw water is treated by lime soda process to the minimum hardness and has the following characteristic? Now we have to find the number of equivalent cations and anions if we have the concentration of calcium 2 positive as 120 milligram per liter, for magnesium 2 positive 36 milligram per liter, for Al3 positive it will be 30 milligram per liter, for sodium positive it will be 55 milligram per liter, similarly for sulfate, carbonate and for bicarbonate. Now what will be the correct value which is given in the question? Yes, fastly. What is the correct option here? Yes, solve it fastly. Fastly, fastly. You need to find the equivalent cations and anions in this question. Yes, fastly. Yes, what is the correct option for this question? If a raw water is treated by lime soda process, now first of all we have to see uh, why lime soda process is used. Okay, and if we are using the lime soda process, then which type of hardness is removed from the water. Then after we will calculate what are the number of equivalent cations and anions which are there in this question. Yes, fastly. Correct, Krishna. Very good. What about the others? Yes, solve it fastly. Correct, Krishna. Atul, just check once again, beta. Just check once again. Yes, Atul, just check it once again, beta. Fastly. Yes, Utkarsh, correct, correct, correct. Utkarsh, which type of hardness you had removed by lime soda process? Yes, Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh, which type of hardness you had removed from the lime soda process? Temporary by lime soda process. Sure, hai, only temporary. Okay, Pritam Das, only temporary we can remove from lime soda process. Non-carbonate hardness, Krishna. Very good. Now, those who are just telling me here that such temporary hardness will be removed by lime soda process, you have to again study the environmental engineering. We have two process of the removal of permanent hardness, or we can say that non-carbonate hardness. They are lime soda process, and second one is ion exchange method, which is also known as zeolite method. So these two are used for the removal of permanent hardness or non-carbonate hardness from the water. So these two generally used for the removal of permanent hardness from the water. Now, what are the various types of cations and anions which will be removed from here? Yes, by lime soda process, we will remove calcium 2 positive, magnesium 2 positive, aluminium 3 positive. Similarly, if we are using the lime soda process, then it will be capable of removing the carbonate and non-carbonate hardness both, because it is used for a removal of permanent hardness. So it will remove bicarbonate also, it will remove carbonate also, and it will remove sulfate also. Now we have to find what are the equivalent cations and anions which will be removed from this water. Now just find it. I had given a little bit of hint to you that which are the cations or anions which will be removed by lime soda process. Now you have to find the equivalent weight. Yes, Gursaj correct, Atul correct. Yes, what about the others? Find it fastly. Find it fastly, beta. Yes. Now the total number of cations which will be removed is calcium 2 positive, magnesium 2 positive, and aluminium 3 positive. So these are the cations which will be removed from the lime soda process. Now we have to find the equivalent cations. So for the determination of equivalent cations, we had to divide this concentration by its equivalent weight, that is 20. Similarly, magnesium 2 positive divided by its equivalent weight, that is 12, plus aluminium 3 positive, we need to divide this by its equivalent weight, that is 9. Now calcium 2 positive concentration is already given in the question, that is 120 milligram per liter, so we need to divide it by 20. Similarly, for magnesium 2 positive, the concentration is given as 36, so we will use 36 here, and for aluminum 3 positive, the concentration is given as 30, so we had to use 30 here, and it needs to be divided by 9. Now the equivalent cations will be equals to, just solve it. What will be the equivalent cations here? Just solve it fastly. Yes, it will be equals to 12.33 milli equivalent per liter. That is the equivalent cations. Now similarly you can determine the anions also. Now in anions, sulfate will be there because it can be removed by the lime soda process. Similarly carbonate will also be there, and similarly bicarbonate will also be there. Okay, so the sulfate concentration which is given in the question is 144. So we need to put the value 144 here. Now what will be the equivalent weight of sulfate? Yes, just tell me fastly, what will be the equivalent weight of sulfate? SO4 2 negative. Yes, what will be the equivalent weight of sulfate? SO4 2 negative. Fastly. Yes, Khushbu, correct. Yes, Krishna, correct. For sulfur, the atomic weight is 32. For oxygen, 16 for the 64. 64 divided by 2. So it will be equals to 48. That is the equivalent weight. So we need to divide it by 48. Similarly, the carbonate concentration is also given in the question, that is 120. So 120 divided by 30 plus bicarbonate, it will be equals to 132, which is given in the question, divided by 61. So after solving this, what will be the equivalent cations, sorry, equivalent alliance from here? Just solve it. What will be the value of equivalent anions after solving this? Yes, fastly, fastly. Yes, Khushbu, Gursaj, Shrikant, Krishna. What will be the equivalent anions after solving this? It will be equals to 9.16 milli equivalent per liter. That is the equivalent anions, and that will be the equivalent cations. Now cations are those ions which is having the positive charge, and anions are those ions which is having the negative charge. So from the given option, option C is correct here, that is 12.33 and 9.16. Yes, very good, Janvi. Good, Saj, very good. So option C is correct here. Clear? Done? Fastly. Can we proceed towards the next question? Okay. Now our next question is, if a laminate is having a pH of 5.4, the hydroxyl ion concentration will be. Now we have to find the hydroxyl ion concentration if a laminate is having a pH of 5.4. Fastly find it. Fastly find it. Yes. Fastly find this value. Yes, I will give you only 5 minutes for this question. Just solve it fastly, and you need to find the value in terms of moles per liter as well as milligram per liter as well as millimoles per liter. Okay, find it fastly. Okay, Krishna, we need to find the hydroxyl ion concentration. Okay, just solve it fastly. Okay, Mustafa, very good. Okay. Kasturidas, Utkarsh Tandon, very good. Now, what do you mean by hydroxyl here? Hydroxyl means what? Okay, Krishna. Now hydroxyl means what? Yes, fastly. Correct, correct, Shrikant. Now find it fastly. Find it fastly. Yes, how many of you are still solving this question? Now, what is the concentration of OH negative in moles per liter in 10 to the power? Just tell me. What is the value of concentration of OH negative in terms of moles per liter in 10 to the power? Yes, 10 to the power minus 8.6. Is it? Yes, fastly. Now, in the question, pH is already given as 5.4. Now we have to find the concentration of hydroxyl ion, that is concentration of OH negative, which we need to determine here. Now, if pH is given as 5.4, then pOH will be equals to 14 minus 5.4, which will be equals to what? It will be equals to 8.6. Now we know that pOH will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. Now we will put the value of OH here, which will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. So from this, concentration of OH negative will be equals to what? 10 to the power minus 8.6 moles per liter. Now first option is already wrong, that is 10 to the power minus 5.4 is not possible. Now if we will convert this in terms of millimole, then it will be equals to what? 10 to the power minus 5.6 millimoles per liter. Why? Because we had multiplied here 10 to the power 3 for the conversion of moles into millimoles. So option D is correct here, that is 10 to the power minus 5.6 millimoles per liter. Okay, sorry. Now we have to find these two values also. Now just solve it in calculator, that is 10 to the power minus 8.6. Yes, 10 to the power minus 8.6, just solve it fastly. 10 to the power minus 8.6. What will be the value here? Yes, 10 to the power minus 8.6. What will be the value? Fastly. If we are solving 10 to the power minus 8.6, yes, what will be the value which is coming here? Yes, fastly. Fastly, just solve it fastly, beta. Yes, Khushbu, Kastuidas. Solve 10 to the power minus 8.6 in your calculator. What will be the value? Yes. Yes, Rajesh. Just solve it. What will be the value when we are just solving 10 to the power minus 8.6 on our calculator? 2.59 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, Khushbu. 2.51 into 10 to the power minus 9. What about the others? 2.51 into 10 to the power minus 9. Yes. Now, Gursaj, your answer had changed. When we are solving 10 to the power minus 8.6 moles per liter, then concentration of OH negative will comes out as 2.51 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter. So our second option is also wrong because it is 2.59 into 10 to the power minus 9. So the option B is also wrong. Now we have to convert this value in terms of milligram per liter. So what we are going to do here, we are going to multiply in 10 to the power minus 8.6, that is 17 into 10 to the power 3 only. So it will be converted into milligram per liter. Just solve it fastly. What will be the value here? Yes. Yes, what will be the value? 4.27 into 10 to the power minus 5 milligram per liter. That is the concentration of OH negative. Clear? Okay. But in the option, it is given as 4.267, which is again wrong. So only one option is correct here. That is 10 to the power minus 5.6 millimoles is correct here. So it is a type of MCQ question, not MSQ question. Clear? Clear or not? Yes, fastly. Fastly, fastly. Done. So those who had answered B, C, D. Gursaj, in option type problem, that is in MSQ or MCQ, you have to see each and every option in a very detailed manner. Okay. Otherwise, if you select a wrong option here, then your whole question will be wrong and you will be awarded with a negative marks of minus 0.33. If it is a 1 mark question, or if it will be a 2 mark question, then you will be awarded by a marks of minus 0.66. That's why you have to be more accurate in MSQ and MCQ type problems. Clear? Definitely not, Krishna. If it is a NAD type problem, then we can say that 4.27 will be correct because it will be in the range of 4.26 to 4.27 or 4.28. So we can say that this will be correct in NAD type problem, but it will not be correct for MCQ type problem because the option is already given here. Clear? Done? Yes, Krishna. Okay. Why C is correct? Why C is correct? Atul. 4.27 and 4.267 is same. Mustafa, it will be clearly mentioned in the exam that whether it is a MSQ question, whether it is a MCQ question, or whether it is a NED type question, it will be clearly mentioned in the question paper. Okay, it will be clearly mentioned in the instruction sheet that from question number 1 to question number 10, it is a type of MCQ. Question number 11 to question number 15, it is a type of MSQ. And from question number 16 to question number 20, it is a type of NED type problem. So it will be clearly mentioned in that type of question. Okay. Clear, Mustafa? Done? Fastly? Yes, if it is a MSQ type question, then we can say that 4.27 will be nearly equals to 4.267 because it is a MSQ question, then we have to select this option also. If it is a MSQ question, okay. But right now, we have only one correct option, that is 10 to the power minus 5.6. Okay. Done. Now we have another question that is again a very important type of question as per the GATE examination, that is 30 ml of 0.02 normal H2SO4 is required to titrate the sample of pH equals to 4.5. Now can anyone tell me at pH 4.5 or less which type of alkalinity is removed from the water? Yes, at a pH value of 4.5 or less, which type of alkalinity is completely removed from the water? Yes, firstly, OH negative, carbonate and bicarbonate. Very good, Krishna. So at a pH of less than equals to 4.5, all the type of alkalinity will be removed from the water, that is OH negative, carbonate and bicarbonate. All alkalinity will be removed from the water at a pH of 4.5. Now, if the sample water is having a pH of 10 and volume of 400 ml, the total alkalinity in milligram per liter SCaCO3 will be. Now we have to find the total alkalinity, that is we have to find the OH negative plus CO3 2 negative plus bicarbonate in milligram per liter SCaCO3. We need to find this. Firstly, tell me the value here firstly. Yes, what will be the correct value here? Firstly solve it. I don't want individual answer, Krishna. We want complete OH negative plus carbonate plus bicarbonate. We don't need to solve it individually. Okay, Krishna? Just solve it fastly, beta. Just solve it fastly. We need to solve this question. Fastly, fastly. I'm giving you one hint that 1 ml per liter of H2SO4 will be equals to 1 milligram per liter of alkalinity as CaCO3. That is the hint which is there. Now just solve it fastly. Just solve it fastly. Yes, solve it fastly, beta. No one had answered till now. Find it fastly, beta. Find it fastly. This is a very simple question. Find it fastly. It is a very easy question, beta. It will not consume more than 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, okay. I will just stop my video. Now it is visible to you. Krishna, now it is visible to you, beta. Now just find it fastly, beta. Find it fastly. It will not require more than 30 seconds to answer this question. Yes, fastly. Now listen to me here. We have the sample water of 400 ml and it will require uh, 0.02 normal H2SO4, that is 30 ml. 0.02 normal H2SO4 is required to titrate this 400 ml of water sample up to pH of 4.4. Okay, so up to pH of 4.5, 30 ml 0.02 normal H2SO4 will be required by 400 ml volume of water. 400 ml volume of water. Yes, Utkarsh, Mustafa, Krishna, correct. So for 1000 ml of water, because we have to compute always in terms of 1 liter of water. So for 1000 ml of water, what will be the amount of acid required? It will be equals to 1000 divided by 400 into 30. 0.02 normal H2SO4. So after solving this, it will be equals to 75 ml. 0.02 normal H2SO4 will be required by 1 liter of or 1000 ml volume of water to bring the pH up to 4.5. It means that 1 ml per liter of H2SO4 will be equals to 1 milligram of alkalinity as CaCO3. So 75 ml 0.02 normal H2SO4 will be equals to 75 milligram per liter of alkalinity as CaCO3. Okay, so that is the basic idea about this type of question to find the alkalinity in terms of CaCO3. First of all, you need to find the amount of acid required to titrate this water sample up to pH 4.5. Then you have to convert that acid into alkalinity as CaCO3. Yes, how many of you get the concept behind this question? That is, first of all, we need to find the acid amount. After that, we need to convert that in terms of alkalinity as CaCO3. Yes, fastly. Yes, fastly. Just tell me. Okay, done. So, had you enjoyed this session? That is Gate Score Booster. Okay, Utkarsh, Khushbu. Yes, how many of you had enjoyed this Gate Score Booster session and like this type of question? Yes. Okay, Khushbu. Okay, Shaurya, Shrikant, Gursaj, Utkarsh, Khushbu. So we will again meet. Okay, yes, we will again meet. Thanks, Shaurya. We will again meet at 27th. Okay, from 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. From 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. and don't miss that session, because I'm going to cover the treatment of water topic, in which we are going to see very good questions of sedimentation process as well as coagulation process as well as disinfection process, that is Chicks and Watson's law question. Okay, yes, in the morning, only. Okay, so on 27th from 6:30 to 8:30 we are going to take another session in the morning of Gate Score Booster of Environmental Engineering. Clear? And we will cover the conversion portions also in the next session. Okay, first we will finish the conversion session. After that we will see what are the various types of questions from the treatment of water. Okay, till then, bye bye. ओके लव किशोर, अच्छा रिवीजन हो रहा है और अच्छा होगा अभी अपना पूरा एनवायरमेंटल कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो ओके we will complete the entire environmental engineering within these 3 sessions and you will feel confident that you will be able to solve each and every question after attending these 3 sessions. Clear? Till then, bye bye everyone. Okay? Bye bye. Yes. Okay, Shrikant. Bye bye everyone. Okay, Utkarsh.